Hello friends, myself Manish Saxena, Head of Computer Science Engineering Department from Bansal Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal. Friends, in this video we will discuss about types of digital computer and its languages. In this topic, we will cover types of digital computers, programming concepts, types of programming languages. Now, types of computers. Basically, computers are classified into three parts, that is analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Whereas digital computers are again classified into four types, that is microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. Now, we will discuss one by one. What is analog computers? Analog computers are those computers which operates on analog data. Analog data means what? Which is continuously with time. For example, that is temperature, pressure, speed, weight, voltage, etc. Example of analog computers are thermometer, blood pressure machine, पुरानी जो मशीन होती थी जिसमें मर्क्यूरी यूज करा जाता, that is the example of analog computer. Then what is the digital computers? Digital computers are based on binary system, binary number system, that is only 0 and 1s. 0 means off state, 1 means on state. In digital computers, all numerical values, alphanumerical character, all characters are included in digital computers. Now, in digital computer, accuracy is very high, error correction, error debugging is very high. That is generally we are using digital computers. Now, what is hybrid computers? Hybrid computer is a combination of analog computers as well as digital computers. For example, जब हम पेट्रोल पंप भरवाने जाते हैं, पेट्रोल पंप से पेट्रोल भरवाने जाते हैं, तो उसमें जो मशीन होती है वो मशीन इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर, जिसमें आपको पेट्रोल मिल रहा है लेकिन कितना मिल रहा है और क्या प्राइस आ रही है वो उसकी मशीन में शो हो रहा है. सिमिलरली इन हॉस्पिटल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ICUs में जो ECG मशीन होती है, ब्लड प्रेशर की मशीन हो गई, जो डिजिटल मशीन होती हैं ब्लड प्रेशर की, जो डिजिटल थर्मामीटर होते हैं, दैट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर्स. नाउ, digital computers basically classified on the basis of their size, speed, storage capacity and cost. Basically they are classified into four types. What is that? That is microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. Now, we will discuss one by one. Microcomputers are small in size, less costly, generally used for personal computers, and this is called personal computers. It is used in schools, home, office, shops, etc. Basically, these microcomputers are again classified into four types, that is desktop computer, laptop computer and tablet. Desktop computer, as we know, can be kept on desk. That's why it is called as desktop computer. Now, it has several units like as mouse, keyboard, CPU, monitor, etc. Whereas laptop can be placed on lap, that is called laptop. It is battery operated device, costly than desktop. Screen can be folded. Now, a tablet is smaller than laptop, light in weight, screen can be touch sensitive. In this we can use reading books, e-books and views photos and etc. Now, second one is mini computers. Mini computers are the advanced version of microcomputers, in which it is in bigger size, high processing speed, costlier than microcomputer, in which more than 4 to 200 users can work simultaneously. It is used in generally banks, universities and big organization where more data are required. For example, PDP, that is Program Data Processor 8. It is an example of mini computer. Next, come on, that is mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are the advanced version of mini computers are the advanced version of microcomputers, that is very powerful, big in size, with large memory and high speed. It is generally used huge amount of data It is generally used in more than 200 users at a time, 200 users at a time, where it is used where live data can be processed. For example, बैंक हो गया, साइंटिफिक लेबोरेटरीज हो गई, IRCTC हो गई, या एयरलाइंस की बुकिंग हो गई, उन सभी जगह पे आपके मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर्स यूज करे जाते हैं ये. नाउ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ IBM Z series, PDP-10 and something. And next one is supercomputer. Supercomputer is the advanced version of the digital computers. It uses most powerful computer with huge processing speed, used for weather forecasting, speech research and satellite control. It is generally used in ISRO, NASA and many huge organizations where huge amount of data is required. Every country has its own supercomputer, and India has its own supercomputer known as Param Yuva. Now, next in program and programming concepts. Program means what? The set of instruction in which we have to tell to computer what to do. And programming means what? Programming means key specific instruction written in particular computer language known as programming. Madam Lady Ada Lovelace, generally known as first programmer, whereas term software was used in 1957 by using John V. Tukey. Now we will discuss about types of languages. Types of languages are basically classified into three types, that is low level language, middle level language and high level language. Low level language again classified into assembly language, machine language, and middle level language is again classified into C++ and basic Java language. And high level language are Fortran, Pascal, .NET, Java, high level something. What is low level language? Low level language are directly dependent on the machine, that is called as low level language or machine level language. It totally depends on computer understand. It expresses binary form 0 and 1. 0 means off state, 1 means off state. It is totally dependent on the machine, hence it is called low level language. It is expressed in 0 1. Now the advantages and disadvantages are: advantages, speed is very high, very low memory utilization. And disadvantage is that कि understand and learning machine language is very tough. 0 1 का कॉम्बिनेशन है, आप इजीली इसको रिकॉल नहीं कर सकते हैं. सिमिलरली इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू राइट एंड डीबग प्रोग्राम्स. तो दिस इज द low level language, that is a machine level language. Now second part of this low level language is known as assembly language. Assembly language in which we use the mnemonics of the instructions, in which this mnemonics is converted into machine language by using the assembler. For example, here it is code is written that ST means store, INCR means increment and something. So we have to return this program in assembly language, then by using assembler we have to convert into machine language. That is same here कि it uses mnemonics code, and symbol 0101 representation. So assembler is used in low level language which convert assembly language program to machine language program. Middle level language is the bridge between low level and high level language here. Now high level language is simply and user friendly. In most of the languages it is written in machine independent language and English forms. For example, high level languages are Java, Visual Basic, Python, RLab and many more. In interpreter is a software which converts line by line code of a program. It is time consuming. For example, person A is known as English, person B is known as Japanese. So we have to some intermediate which convert line by line code to each other. That is time consuming process. And next one is that is known as compiler. Compiler is a program which convert whole program at a time. It is fast and also it describe the error in the object code file. This is the fast speed. So friends, in this video we will discuss about types of computer and languages. In next videos we will discuss about computational theory. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.